going to be making Pompom slime. Here's what we're going to need. A wooden spoon, 2 glass bowls, one is medium and one is huge. Some clear glue, some borax, a measuring spoon is 1/4 teaspoon, a measuring cup is 1/2 cup, some pom-poms, and some water. And this is all we need. Ta-da! Let's take a closer look how we make a borax solution. Ask your mom or dad to help you with borax. Get 1/4 teaspoon of borax and pour it into your bowl. Get your measuring cup and pour some water in. 1/2 cup of water. Now pour it into the bowl. Take your spoon and mix it together. Warm water will help it dissolve. Yay! We got our borax solution! Now it's time to make our glue solution. Let's take a closer look. And ready, steady, go! Pour 1/2 cup of water into your measuring cup. And pour it into your bowl. Now add some glue. Now pour it into your cup. Now pour it into your bowl. Mix your water and glue together. Pour your borax solution into your glue solution. And then mix it together. Take your slime out and knead your slime. It's squishy and slimy. Oh, yuck! Oh my goodness. That's not on. Ah! Okay, now it's time to get off there. Ah! Now I need your slime. Now add the pom-poms. Pom-pom slime. I hope you have fun making a pom-pom slime. Goodbye.